so elegant. Gloria, she's so elegant.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did this ponytail braid. As you can see, her hair is really strong, so what I'm doing here, I'm just taking off the elastic that she came with and separating the hair, and soon I'm going to be using a hot brush to brush it out. So here I just made a section of some hair and I'll be ready just to brush it out. There you go guys. So after I finish using the hot brush, this is how our hair look like. It's more manageable and it's not going to hurt as much when I'm braiding her hair. So here I'm just making a section. I'm just making a line down in the middle. After this, I'm going to use my Shine Gem gel just to put it on the line, and it's going to make the line really nice. So here I have 4 sections. So this 4 section, I like making a small section in the middle. So this one I use it for a single braid. This method I like it because it just makes it have more braids than the normal ponytail. Over here I'm starting to do my first braid. I like working with sections, so I'm going to do one section at a time. In total I'm gonna have 4 sections, which is going to be a ponytail at the end. So here I'm just starting with my first braid. So first I'm just parting, and after I will put my Shine and Gem gel just to make the line clean. She wanted some color and length, so I had this purple ombre hair I will be using on her today. So I will braid her natural hair first, and I will be adding this purple color in the middle. So I just finished one section, so now I'm just separating this hair. I'm going to do one single braid. Now we're at the back, so again I'm just making a little section for my single braid, and I'll be braiding the braid going upwards, so like that I can attach it to the little bun going on. The hair is done, so I'm just cutting the little fly away, just cutting it with my scissor, and later on I'm going to be braiding one whole braid so I can dip it in the hot water and create beautiful curls. I have shea butter oil, so I'm just going to spray it on her scalp so it can have some moisture. Guys, let's not forget to put those baby hair go to sleep. So I have an eco gel that I will be using for her baby hair. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care.
She's so elegant. Gloria, she's so elegant.